Let's make a red light together. Start by inserting a rectangle shape and resizing it to 3.7 centimeters for height and 6 centimeters for width. Place the shape in the upper center of the slide and remove the outline. Then duplicate 3 more times and align vertically over the length of the slide. Next, insert a circle shape. Resize it to 4 centimeters for both width and height. Again, remove the outline. Duplicate the circle and add 0.5 centimeters to the values for width and height. Select both circle shapes and under a line, make sure they are aligned in the center and in the middle. Then group both of the shapes. Duplicate them 2 more types and place the circles in a vertical line onto your rectangles at the center of the slide. For a better overview, give the circles a different color. Then select all rectangles and under a line, select Distribute vertically. Then adjust the placing of your 3 circles. To make sure everything is even, select the middle circle as well as the 2 middle rectangles. Under a line, go to Distribute vertically. Next, select all 3 of your circles, and again, go to Distribute vertically in the Align drop-down. Now select all shapes on the slide and make sure everything is ungrouped. While still having all shapes selected, go to Shape Format and Merge Shapes. Select Fragment. Delete all the fragments of the outer circles to create a gap between the rectangles and the smaller circles. Then select all the rectangles and fill them in with a gray color. Before moving on to filling in the circles, select all the fragments for each of the 3 circles. Go to Shape Format and under Merge Shapes, choose Union. Once you have done this for all 3 circles, fill in the upper circle with a red color and the lower circle with a green color. In case your middle circle has a different color, make it yellow. Now add another rectangle shape. Resize it to 17.5 centimeters for height and 7.5 centimeters for width. Remove the outline and give the rectangle a color to your liking. Before combining, select all your red light shapes and group them. Then move your new rectangle on top and under Arrange, send it to the back of the slide. Now select all the shapes and go to Arrange. Align in the center and in the middle. Place the graphic centrally on your slide and select all shapes again. Add a shadow to all the shapes for more depth in the graphic. And there, you have your red light. For more quick and easy tutorials like this, give us a follow, and we will be happy to make your life easier a couple of minutes at a time.